Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, it's just this hoe. From the title, it says everything you need to know about this video. I haven't bought anything recently from AliExpress. I never managed to ever buy anything from DHgate back in the day, but this has been like 3 years ago. It's been at least 3 years ago. I bought a few things. I went on a kind of a tear. You know how I do. And I bought some things from AliExpress and they're just sitting on my shelf collecting dust, literally collecting dust. I've never used them. It's just, you know how... You guys know me, especially back then. I would take my sleep meds and I would just start scrolling and I would watch a lot of YouTube videos. And back then, when I first started YouTube, even before, a lot of people did AliExpress hauls. I mean, people still do that, but I think it really had its heyday 4 or 5 years ago, 3, 4, 5 years. But anyhow, that was even back when Amazon had some lookalike things. Now, I will never say the word F, the F word. F-A-K-E. We will say lookalikes, but here's the thing. This video is not in promotion of anything that is not authentic. I don't co-sign. I don't get behind. I don't get with the practice of selling or marketing or buying, selling, whatever non-authentic goods. Okay? I just want you to know that. These are just some things that I picked up. I ended up never, hardly ever, there was a pair of shoes that I used, but that is it, girl. The first thing that I started buying were scarves. And you may have seen these. I've shown these before. They don't have any LVs on them, we'll say. They look like exactly like a scarf that was made from them. I think it's a little larger and also they don't have any markings on them, but they were $4 and I think I told you this in a video a long time ago. They were like $4 a piece and I bought 4 of them, one for me and my gal pals at work. You know that thing of, you know, you sit around people, you get to be friends. And so anyway, and we all tied them on our bags and we thought they were cute. So that is one of the first things ever purchased from AliExpress. Now, mind you, like I said, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, girl, okay? This stuff was on there years ago. I guarantee you I don't have a link for them. I don't know anything that they still have. As a matter of fact, when I went back on orders, I still have an account, but I haven't ordered anything in forever. And I went back through my orders and some of the pictures had changed to just like nothing. I mean, they were just VIP sale or no photo or Christmas boxes and stuff. So it wasn't even. The next thing that I bought was this $28 very sus zippy wallet. Now I also bought one from Amazon that did look exactly like this. I think it was a little more expensive, but I have given that to my daughter-in-law and she uses it. So, and I did use it, as you can see. I did use it. There are some receipts from way back when in here. 28 bucks, I thought that was pretty good. It's very rubbery. And if someone said to me like, ooh, where'd you get that? How much? Because people around here, girl, they will ask you and they are in your business. And I would say like, I got this from Amazon or AliExpress. Like 28 bucks, girl. Not even kidding. Hey! So I think I lied to you guys. I did a golden goose video and I had to take a lot of stuff out. But I think, because I saw these in my AliExpress orders, I think I represented these as Amazon shoes, but they were actually not. These were actually shoes that I bought from AliExpress. Maybe I bought a couple pairs. Maybe I mean, a lot of times I did buy a bunch of stuff on Amazon and show it on my channel and buy some stuff on Ali. But these actually were AliExpress. And I have worn these, very comfortable. They were in the neighborhood of $22. They don't really have the markings of it on the back, but the tongue is suspicious with the GGDB, and that's all it said. I mean, there's no other. Inside it says like some kind of Chinese name, Phi Ping or something like that. But they were very comfortable and I wore these many, many times. And I was asked a couple times by some people like, oh my gosh, do you have some golden goose? I'm like, no girl, These are definitely AliExpress, but I think I told you in a video once that I bought these on Amazon. I did not. I apologize for the lying. what's wrong with me? But these actually did 22 bucks. So, and you can see that I've worn them because the heel's worn down a little bit. I liked them. I like glittery, shiny things, so they fit the bill. I finally did, of course, buy a few pairs of Golden Goose sneakers. I think I have maybe 2 pairs left, and that's it. And then I have these little sus sneakers. Okay, I asked you guys in a live if you thought this would be fun, and I thought it would be fun for you. I've been contemplating on doing this for probably over a year because the stuff is just sitting here, and I did buy it, I think, with the intention of showing you guys. But I kept buying t-shirts because, you know, t-shirts are my thing. But these kind of t-shirts, I do not like. These... And they didn't, I thought they were actual t-shirts, but how cute is this? And I may wear this, or maybe did I already wear this? Maybe I did, but it's not even dry fit. It's that really cheap, silky, I don't know, like what your grandma's undies were made out of, that material. Ugh, I just don't like. But I thought this was a cute t-shirt, and I think I paid $8.98 back in the day is what my order said. And then I bought this one, which I tried to wear, but it was the big, I think it was like 4 or 5X, because I already knew going in, like, it's coming from China, it's coming from AliExpress. Their sizing is way different than ours. Like, everything's way smaller, and it should be. But I don't know if it should be, but sorry, it's 3XL. I bought the biggest one they had, and girl, this does not fit me. And it is also, it's a little bit better. It's more t-shirt material, but I just thought it was cute. And you know, we knew this wasn't going to be sanctioned by them, but I just thought this was a cute iron on. And same thing, 7-8 bucks. I have not worn them. I don't know, maybe once. I don't know. Let's get to some bags. You're gonna be shocked. You're gonna be shooketh. I bought 3 of these because a couple of friends at work really loved the look of, I had a real Pochette Matisse. I don't know why I'm gonna say Matisse. I had an authentic Pochette Matisse, as you know. It is gone, and I think I brought it to work one day, and everybody was just like, oh my gosh. And so I would go online at night and go on AliExpress, and I bought 3. I believe 3 of these. This one wasn't correct. I tried to get, I don't remember what I tried to order, but they sent me the wrong thing, and I had to fight them and get refunded. But then I got stuck with this, and then I'd already bought my friend at work. She, Debbie, hey girl, she carried the devil out of the first one, and then so I had a second one, which I never did even carry, but I gave her that one because I felt bad that the first one tore up, so I gave her the second one. And then, like I said, I ordered something different, and they sent me this one, so I had a total of 3, and I got into a big huge fight with them, and it was $110 this last time, but it wasn't what I wanted anyway. But they didn't charge me. They canceled the order, and then of course the bag came, and here I am with the bag. And I mean, it doesn't look too awful. I've never carried it, and I'll tell you that one of the things that the dust bag's the dead giveaway, girl. But to this day, it's been 3 years ago, girl. To this day, it still feels like when you touch the glazing on the side of the little strap, it's wet. It feels like it's wet paint. It's just really sticky and tacky to this day. So it's a no. It's a no for me. But you know, the thing is, once you have these things, unless your family wants them, and you know, my sister-in-laws, maybe my cousins, my daughters, my daughter-in-law, you know, I could give stuff away. I just needed to go through all the crap. And like I said, it's not too awful bad, but it wasn't the non-authentic sus thing that I ordered. Like, what is she even saying right now? This I ordered, and there's a very good reason behind this. I went on a tear a few years ago and bought my oldest daughter a cosmetic pouch. Well, of course, the youngest daughter and the daughter-in-law, I think I bought her one too, but my youngest daughter, who is very very hard on things, wanted one, and I came across this for 30 bucks. Even she wouldn't carry it. She was like, no. I ended up letting her carry this one, and she carried the devil out of it. This is that one that I told you I didn't know if I was going to use as a planter. But I mean, she tore it all up, girl. She like ripped it up. I had taken out the lining and painted it, but it's not even, it's not even close to being, it's bad. Okay, so there's that thing that I bought. You guys are still gonna be like, wait, what? She did? No. Do Do you guys remember when Alexander Wang, it's been several years ago, a few years ago, was doing those glorified, glitzed out shopping bags?
Oh my God! Wow!
I bought one for, I think this was 19 bucks. Never used it. It just hangs up on a rack over here. But I thought it was cute. To be honest with you, I really didn't think that this was a designer bag of any sort. And then after I bought it, I saw Cassie or somebody do a video and it had this, maybe somebody went on a shopping, I don't know. And I saw this and I was like, oh, okay. So this is like a real thing. So yeah, it's horrible. It's just horrible. Did I pay $19 and 22 with tax or whatever? But no, I would never. It's a no, girl. But yeah, that is something that I bought on AliExpress. I'm telling you, I went on a tear there for a minute. Two more things. And you guys are going to be like, what? I know I keep saying that, but you really are. The Dior book tote craze. It was real and it was a thing. And those book bags were $3 or more. I never, because first of all, I don't do very big bags, as you know. I mean, I have to now for work, but I thought these were so cute and I really wanted one, so I bought one on AliExpress one night. The red. It has been in my closet, stuffed up for so long. Even the cardboard has, can you see it? The cardboard is pushed out. There's, you know, I'm sure this is made with like 2 pieces of cardboard and then they sew this over it. I believe on the real ones, on the authentic ones, there's this really thick, heavy stitching that goes around the seams. I bought a look-alike bag like this. It didn't say this on the front, I don't think, in blue, because the blue ones were like the big deal. And I bought it from Amazon, and my daughter-in-law uses it as a work tote. So it's in the same. But I thought this was pretty good. I'm not a book tote kind of gal. I can't believe I forked out that much money, like, but I would never, oh my gosh, never have paid that kind. I mean, you know, to each his own. A lot of people loved it. It's a cute bag. I wouldn't have bought the AliExpress bag if I didn't think it was a cute bag, but I did think it was like really, really cute. Okay. And last but not least, and this one is, I saved the best, meaning the worst, for last. I bought from AliExpress a sus toy. Is it Lulu? Toy Lulu? I don't know. But girl, this is all kinds of wrong. So the pictures look great. Of course the pictures look great. And then you get it and it's this crunched up, look how that's dust. It's just been sitting here for over three plus years. But no, I would never, and you know, to each his own. Like I said, I'm not knocking anybody. You buy what you want and you wear what you want. Girl, I won't judge you a bit. I'm all about like, do your thing, you be you. Live and let live, girl. But anyway, this was just not the one. I did try to complain to, I mean, I know I'm over here buying a sus thing from AliExpress, and then when that thing turns out to be horrible for $70, I then complained because what happened was the guy packaged it. It takes forever. It took forever on this one. He packaged it and he just like wrapped cellophane and stuff and packing stuff over it and then shoved it in a shipping bag. So when it was sitting on that container, it was just like this. And I don't think anything could have fixed that, but I was like, you know, I want to send it back. He was like, no exchanges, you're crazy, you keep what you got. But yeah, it is not the one, girl. It is not the one. So anyway, those are all the things that I've ever bought from AliExpress years and years ago. Listen, I don't have any links. I don't know any of this stuff if it's still available. I kind of quit going on there just because, you know, I don't know what I was thinking, like save your money and buy something good. And I did end up finally doing that. But yeah, there was a couple of weeks there where I was like, well, yes, of course, yes. So anyhow, I just thought you guys would get a kick out of seeing the sus things that I bought from AliExpress. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I will be back here this weekend. I have a double bonus. I have one on Saturday with Kevin. Guys over here like, do I have one yet? Yes, I have a video coming up with Kevin Allen. We're going to go over some fragrances that we love for 2022, our favorite stuff from this year. And then Sunday, it is a collab with Eva and Yota and Cami. Cami, yes. So definitely check that out. We're reviewing our heart bag from Coach. I hope you guys don't judge me too harshly, and I hope that I don't get any hate from this video. I love you guys. I just wanted you to see what happens in my brain, what goes on when I'm dialing for dollars. What used to? Would you go ahead and do me a huge favor? Hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Did you do it? Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. And hit the like, comment down below, get my box roll around, see what all I got going on in there. I won't have any of this linked, but hey, there'll be some other links maybe. I don't know. Something good always in my box. How many times has she said that on a Friday? I hope you guys will come back this weekend and listen. God, it took me forever to get there, right? If y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh my God, guys. I just watched Cami's video about her skincare and what she does to stay looking youthful and good. And I was like, yep, I use that. Yes, I do. We pretty much do the same thing. And I was like, why is it that Cami looks so youthful and I look like an old leather Sebago that's been baked out in the sun for 20 years? Or an old catcher's mitt? What? Cami, you look so good, biatch.
Anus. I know Winnie might have caught that one.
What?